Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
In this newly released body cam footage, police pull over what looks like a teenager, maybe 19 or 21 years old. Things start normally at first, but quickly escalate when the teen, clearly frustrated, says "F you" right to the officer's face. Instead of de-escalating, the officer reacts emotionally, challenging the boy to a fight on the spot. Fortunately, it doesn't go that far. After some tense words, things calm down enough to avoid what could have become a physical altercation. The footage sparked debate online. Was the teen out of line, or did the officer let ego get in the way? Let's watch how it all played out.
How you doing, officer?
How's it going? License and insurance.
Castle, I got pulled over.
Yeah, I'll be glad to tell you in just 1 second.
Take your time, go ahead.
Is everybody all right?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Who yelled out the window?
I don't know. None of us.
Yeah, come on back here with me, Mr. Bird.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bird,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time. How long you had your license?
Over 6 months.
Over 6 months. So everybody, you're good to haul everybody around in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time.
Yes, sir.
All right? And if you don't, we're going to go another route with it. Who yelled out of your Jeep when you went by us?
It was Brandon.
Who?
Brandon.
Which one's Brandon?
In the front seat.
Got the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
What'd you have to say? No, tell me one more time you're going to jail, son. What's your name?
Brandon Hughes.
Brandon Hughes.
Yes, sir.
I know who you are.
Yes, sir.
Is there something you need to say to us that you want to yell out the window?
No, sir.
Who you yelling at? Look at me when you talk to me, son. Who you gonna yell at? What'd you say? F the police.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Yes, sir.
Why you want to say that to the police?
I don't know. Y'all protect us. I shouldn't have.
No, I ain't protecting you.
All valid.
Yes, sir.
Negative. 2005 Pontiac 5.
F the police.
Brandy
Why?
Lansford.
You can get back. Why do you want to F the police, son?
I don't.
Why you say it then? You think it's gonna make you a badass or something in front of everybody?
No, sir, I don't, because I'm getting fussed at right now.
You want to fuck the police?
No, sir.
Well, here I am, right here, brother.
I don't want to.
Why not? You're a tough guy. Come
I'm
on,
not tough.
huh?
I'm not tough.
You seem like a little baby the day you was in court. Remember?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you every opportunity.
No, sir.
Then why you want to yell about it when you're in front of your buddies right there? Is it cool?
No, sir.
You trying to be a badass in front of them?
No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you every opportunity
Yes,
to fuck me up. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you this. What have I ever done to you?
Nothing at all.
Not a damn thing.
Yes,
What has my partner ever done to you?
Not a thing.
Not a damn thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So why do you want to fuck the police?
I don't. I was being dumb.
No, it's a little bit more than being stupid is what I think.
Ignorant.
So let me ask you something. Next time you get caught selling weed or having weed on you, do you think somebody's going to try to cut you a break? If I go to goddamn jerking everybody out of that damn Jeep and I find 1 ounce of damn weed, do you think I'm going to take everybody to jail?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Just me.
No, hell, I'm going to take every one of your damn friends to jail.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
17.
I didn't know y'all could be so goddamn stupid anymore. Everybody get out of the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
You want to see how big of a damn asshole police is going to be? I'm fixing to show you. We're fixing to search every damn one of you and every damn ounce of this Jeep. Now, so help me God, if I find one damn seed, every damn one of you is going to go to jail because of fuck the police, son.
Yes, sir.
17. Can you 25 with me up at Checkers?
What's your location?
Up here at Checkers.
17 regular. Show me that one.
It's funny, ain't it?
No, sir.
Did y'all laugh?
No, sir.
Huh? Did you laugh?
No, sir.
Did you laugh?
217, are y'all on?
You think it's funny? Yeah, radio. Show me 1038. Charlie Echo Yankee 6704. CEY 6704. Be North Cherokee at Checkers. This smart ass right here says fuck the police.
38.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who you want first?
Bird, you can get back in the damn Jeep, son. You ain't done nothing wrong. Y'all two pile back in there. Y'all ain't done nothing wrong. Ain't no sense in y'all paying for this stupid ass's damn. That's that knucklehead off of Elm Street right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't remember y'all from.
He don't believe it, but I swear to God I can beat him in basketball.
You can't shoot. You still gotta play me.
Still waiting for you.
I've been asking you since I was on Elder.
Dude, let me tell you something. I got two damn torn up ligaments. I will smoke both of y'all. Y'all can play 2-on-1.
Take you out the game.
Let me tell you something. You'd be so damn. You'd be on your little skinny ass. I'm telling you. You ever seen Charles Barkley play?
Take you out the boot.
Why, dude? You know who this is? What's your stepdaddy's name? Brian Massey's stepson.
What?
Yeah. Fuck the police.
What have we done to you?
Hey, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. Technically, I can't search your damn Jeep, and I can't touch y'all, and I don't want to. I'm not an asshole like that. Okay? But I'm gonna tell you something. If you hang around dickheads like this, somebody's gonna mess with you. Okay? I suggest y'all going somewhere. Y'all jet. Where y'all going to eat? Make his ass walk.
You just wasn't thinking. You know, we have to put up with a lot of shit as it is. Yes, sir. I mean, there's cops getting killed on traffic stops, stuff like that. And then you ride by and you holler that. Disrespectful. Yes, sir, it is. And we out here to save your butt. Yes, sir.
Let me hang on one second, Bird. Hey, let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
You upset because you did it, or you upset because you got caught?
Honestly, both. It was disrespectful when I was raised better. Just being dumb.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know that you. I don't know.
Yes, sir. I mean, what you did is not breaking the law. You didn't break the law. It's freedom of speech. Yes, sir. But still, I mean, just to blatantly out, just hollering out while we're trying to do our job. Yes, sir. What if that was a DUI person? I just stopped on the side of the road and got them off the street and keep from hitting somebody in your family and killing them. Yes, sir. You got to look at it. You know what I'm saying? That it all goes around. Yes, sir.
I mean, why do you really feel like that? Because you really feel like that. Huh? I mean, I would be okay if you just trying to be a badass in front of your boys.
I mean,
Because you obviously have some pent-up frustrations. And I'm going to tell you right now, neither one of us done anything to you.
yes, sir, I know.
So tell me, be honest about it. Why in the world do you really feel that way? Because deep down you have to feel it. Because that you know what? I've done some crazy stuff in my life. Not once have I ever said that.
Have you ever had a bad run-in with the police or anything?
Yeah, bud.
I pull in some gas real quick.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
I guess all the pictures everybody paints about y'all.
And you buy into that crap?
Paint your own picture, dude. I mean, we ain't never done anything to you. Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not saying not all cops are good, because you do got some bad cops out there, but I don't consider myself one of them. Yes, sir. I mean, if you was in a car accident, whatever, I'd do my best to try to save your life.
Yes, sir.
And that includes putting ourselves in danger doing it.
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. I'm tired of dealing with you.